Underprovided till now with heavy weapons, they received a sudden infusion of arms and ammunition from the unexpected surrender of federal forces in a number of garrisons across Croatia. Blockaded for days, they decided to give up rather than try to break out. Unusually for this war, it was a bloodless success as the Croats ran their flag into the Zagreb headquarters of the Federal Air Force. The officers based there surrendered without a fight and were jeered out of the building, which was also an intelligence gathering center. This evening, the air raid warning sounded after 2 MiGs of the Federal Air Force had made a low pass over the capital. People ran for cover and prepared for the worst. The war is getting close to home. The Federal Air Force was also in action above a number of the war zones, especially where a garrison had just surrendered, as here in Gospic. The jets didn't change the pattern of events, but they did kill a sound technician of the Croatian television crew that took these pictures. And the battles for barracks are far from over yet. Where garrisons have not surrendered, the Croats are trying to loudspeaker them into submission with folk music and news, the only peaceful bombardment of the war.